Guys, Carlo here. So welcome back to the vlog. I just wanted to do a very chill episode for today since we've been traveling the last few weeks. If you haven't watched our Yokohama vlog, make sure to check it out. I'll link it down below. By the way, I am flying to Taipei this weekend, so we have another bunch of flying out the country type of content. But for today, we're just here at the shop and we're unboxing a bunch of stuff. Some of which are my personal pickups, some of which are really interesting things that I think you might find fascinating. So first and foremost, Dragon Ball Daima. Tama ba? Daima? O Daimo? Daimos? No, that's different. Daima. Dragon Ball Daima just ended. If you guys didn't watch it, it was super cool. And I guess it's just very timely because they released the new Crocs Dragon Ball collaboration. So this one is the Goku Crocs, ano ba to? Clog? Right? Clog? Yeah. So as you can see, it's your typical classic Crocs slippers or clogs. You have the perforations here that give it breathability. Oh. And then you have the gibbets. I guess that's what makes it Dragon Ball. So you have Shenron, you have a Dragon Ball gibbet, you have, I don't know what this is, you have a Goku gibbet, you have the sign of Goku School, I think, and then you have the, what's it called, the cloud? Nimbus Cloud? Okay. What's the cloud? The cloud. Okay, so you have the gibbets and you can remove them, you can put them in your other Crocs if you want. Just be very careful because I've worn a bunch of Crocs with gibbets and they usually fall out. And then you lose them forever because you can't buy more gibbets, right? And then apart from the gibbets, you have the orange colorway, obviously, which is the uniform of Goku, and then the blue, ano ba tawag nito? The strap, ankle strap, I guess, which resembles his belt. So it actually has a tied belt end. Diba? And then you have some sort of like orange, white, yellow thing for the midsole. So yeah, this is the Polex, the Crocs Dragon Ball Goku collaboration. There's a Vegeta one, but we don't have that yet here in the Philippines. But hopefully we get it. So that's item number one. Item number two from our lovely assistant Ekoy. Sumayo ka naman. So this is another pair of Crocs. This is obviously from the show Monsters by Pixar. This is Mike Wazowski. Diba? Wazowski. Ayun. So obviously you have the giant big singular eye, you have the mouth. These are actually gibbets, no? Oh, so you can actually remove them if you want. You can put them in Goku, labo. But anyway, yeah, so if you're a fan of Pixar, I think it's very straightforward. It's in his color. You have his eye, his mouth, his horns ba? Yeah. Ears. And then the nice thing about it really is the ID. I think that's what gives it a really nice touch. But it gives it a little bit more oomph compared to the typical, I guess, Crocs. Yeah, so that's nice. So next we have, let's go toys. So this is from our favorite artist, Filipino toy/art toy/street artist. His name is Quiccs. If you guys don't know him, then you might be living under a rock. Diba? But he's really one of the best. And he is one of the most humble, easy to talk to, easy to work with, and just all around great guy. So Quiccs, if you are watching this, bigyan naman. The joke. So yeah, this is his, when did this come out?
Last year.
Last year pa. So when the movie came out, Deadpool Wolverine, he came out maybe shortly after, or I don't know if it was during. This is called Reynold and Rogan. Obviously, diba? It's a play with Wolverine and obviously Deadpool using his famous Tech 63 characters, right? So we've seen a lot of collaboration. We've seen a lot of designs in the past featuring other IPs. This is probably one of the more famous ones, as you can see over here. So if you are an art toy enjoyer, if you're a fan of Quiccs, then definitely you might wanna pick this one up. So this is available ba? So it's available right now here at Unbox. If you are in the area, if you are interested, you can buy it. By the way, the Mike Wachowski is also available, tama ba? Here at the shop. This is not available because it's mine. So you won't be able to buy that. But I do have like a pair of the Mcdo. Kunin mo yung McDonald's, pakita natin. So we'll get like one more pair, which I'll show you guys. We have a McDonald's themed Crocs. Puro Crocs pala pinakita natin today, no? Okay, takbo, Ekoy, takbo! Ano ba Crocs doon? Hanap ko pa ng Crocs doon para pakita natin. It's a Crocs vlog na lang. So this naman is the collaboration between Crocs and McDonald's. So if you are a fan of McDonald's, I don't know what would possess you to wear something like this, to be honest. Unless you're like a die-hard McDonald's fan and you want to scream to the world that you love McDonald's. No? I guess there are people like that. Kasi kanya-kanyang trip eh. Diba? Everyone's a psycho. They just don't know it yet. So if you are a McDonald's psychopath or fan, super fan, then you might want to check this out. Again, obviously, you have the smile, the M, the red and yellow. You have chicken nuggets. You have fries. Chicken nuggets ba to? Chicken?
I think it's nuggets, yeah.
You have chicken nuggets. You have fries. You have burger McDo. Sabihin ko yum burger. Yeah. And then you have the kiddie meal, no? Happy meal. Happy meal. And then you have the red and yellow color. Yeah, so if you're a fan, you like McDonald's, then you might want to check this out. This is being sold here.
Yes, sir.
How much are we selling it?
5,000.
5,000 pesos, diba? To show to
Sold
the
out
world.
everywhere.
Sold out na to everywhere? Oh, so if you are, wow, na-sold out to? Galing ah. Galing. Ba't ka tumatawa? Galing nga eh, di ba? Parang, wow, good job, Crocs and McDonald's. So, okay, since we're in the toys part of the vlog, we got a few more. So this is from Figma, and we have a couple of Pokemon toys coming up. So this is apparently a toy of a VTuber, which is like so cool if you think about it, no? That VTubers would actually get their own toy. And from Figma, a very well-known toy manufacturer and designer. So this is the Figma figure of Gower, basta, VTuber, Gura, okay? So, it's your typical Figma, ano ba yun, maraming points of, what do you call it? Articulation. And it has a lot of accessories. So if you're a super fan, then you might want to check this out. There are other VTuber merch that you can buy here at Unbox. This one,
It's an entire box.
so what's the number of the box?
134.
So just check out cabinet 134. It even comes with the, wow, CD. Uso pa pala to.
It's an album.
It's an album in a CD. Oh, you kids don't know what this is na. So anyway, so these are the VTuber stuff. Lastly, we have Pokemon toys, stuffed toys. This is Eevee. Eevee ba? Eevee. And then ito si Chansey. Chansey. Obviously, di ako nanonood ng Pokemon, no? Okay, so this is Eevee. It's a really nice plush, huggable stuffed toy. They're selling it for 4,500 with fluffy ears. So if you want it, you can get it here. And this is Chansey. I'll call her Chansey. This is Chansey. Chansey. Chauncey yata, hindi Chansey. Chansey talaga. What's the spelling? Pag ito, Chauncey, ah. No, it's really Chansey kasi there's no U. It's Chansey. So this is Chansey. In French, it is Levainard. I won't attempt. So anyway, so these two are also available. And lastly, let's go tech. I'll just show you something that I picked up from a really nice power bank from Anchor. So this is the Anchor laptop power bank. So it has a digital display. It has multiple charging ports, including 2 retractable ones. You have one here on the side, which also doubles as a handle. And then you have one here at the top. And then it has a USB-C port and a USB port. And the great thing about this one is it is 25,000 milliamperes, 165 watts. So it can charge your MacBook, your tablet, your laptop, whatever you need to charge, this should be able to handle it. So yeah, those are all the gadgets and items that I wanted to bring you guys. The next episode you'll see from me will most likely be an episode from Taiwan, if ever I find something interesting to do there. So I hope you guys enjoyed. If you want any of the gadgets or items that I showed you, just drop by Unbox and comment down below which one is the favorite thing that you saw in today's episode. Peace.